At Arco Storage, we believe your mailbox should do more than just collect envelopes. That's why our P.O. Box mail service is designed for real life. Whether you're running a business, shopping online, or just want more privacy in a digital world. When you rent a mailbox at Arco's Storage, you don't get some vague number at a post office. You get a real physical street address. This means you can accept deliveries from all major carriers. Maybe you sell handmade items online. Maybe you work from home. Or maybe you just don't like the idea of your personal address floating around the internet. Arco's mailboxes give you the privacy you deserve. Use our address for business paperwork, return labels, client communication, or just to keep your personal life, well, personal. This service is perfect for freelancers, remote workers, students, retirees, travelers, and side hustlers. If you need a secure, professional way to handle your mail with no missed deliveries, no packages sitting in the rain, and no awkward conversations with neighbors, Arco's Storage has you covered. We even accept and hold your packages securely until you're ready to pick them up. And yes, you can access your mailbox 24/7, day or night, weekend or holiday. And here's the best part. Mailbox rentals start at just $25 a month. That's less than your weekly coffee budget and a whole lot more useful. So if you're ready for reliable mail, secure package handling, a professional image, and total privacy, rethink your mailbox. Stop by Arco Storage or visit us online to reserve yours today.